Alright, let's start it now. So before we go into to the detail, you guys make sure that we have the same structure, or you guys don't need to have the same structure of this one, this main element like this one. So you guys just can follow the important one. So let's start it. Alright, we have like we will have like the audio first for this one, because we are going to have the for the sound. Okay, so before we go into have, you guys need to have like these audio ref, and we use ref from React. In here you guys pass in none into here, and we have HTML audio element now. Okay, so we want to make sure that this one targets exactly the same this one. So we will do something like this. So the audio, they will need few attributes like this one. So I'm going to pass this one into this description, so you can see how we can utilize this one. Alright, so this one come from the sound from this CSS tricks. Alright, so let's make it fast. So we need to make sure that we have this one, and you can bold it and use this one. That your browser does not support the code audio element. So for some reason there is the old version of browser, they don't support audio, so this will show this one when they don't support it, right? Okay, so let's move further. So we will have like first thing, we need to break down what will be happen, right? So we have like two main ones. So this is the main, this is one, and this is the second. So we have few more animation from this arrow and this button and marquee and this one, right? Okay, so the image is really simple one. You can custom whatever you want, but I'm not going to do exactly 100% like this one. All right. Okay. So we are going to start. So to able to do this one, you guys need to have like device tweaking. So we have the first one is this one, and the second one, right? So we have two basically, and in here you guys need to have a div to able to hold to span, because this one when we hover another text moving up, and the one moving up moving above. Okay, so we need to have two span. So we're going to use this one for representation about for this one. Okay, so yeah, so this is the one. So we will have in the list one, we also have the div that hold the arrow. So we are going to use this arrow right. Alright, so to be able to have this one, you guys need to have an arrow component like this one I pass in here. So basically this arrow come from the Figma. You guys can use the Figma community, but in this case I will also put this arrow code snippet into the description, so you guys can use it, and you guys can put over here into the public one, and you got the arrow right this, and then you export like this one, right? And in over here we're going to import this one over here, and we use it right here. All right, so in this case we have two. Oh sorry. Okay, we have two, the black and the white one. So we're going to book two like this one. All right, I think this we have finished for this main one. So we're going to move to the second one. Okay, second item. Okay, so in this case, if it just has only one div of this one, because you can see here it stays simple, it's not move anywhere, and we have the marquee. So we're going to do a div like this one to able to take care of the marquee, and inside we're going to have span like this, and we will have coming soon. Okay, so the marquee here, you guys need to import from this component like this one. So basically if you guys never import this one, I will show you install. So you guys usually will use the npm int, and you guys pass in the name of the library like this one. Okay, so it will start install the dependencies like this, and then you guys can call it in over here, and you guys can already see it will import directly like this one. Okay, so to be able to do this one, you guys need to have the speed. For this I will do 50, and I will do autofill. So the autofill attribute, we're going to be fill every inside like this one, right? So it's autofill to fit with the width of the molecule. Yeah. Alright, so we have the last one is the button, right? So the button, we're going to be having two, like this one, two span, the first one and the second one. Yep, they're moving up, they're moving down, right? Okay, so we have two span. Alright, we have subscribe. Okay, two span. Alright, so this is the basic structure of the one, I believe. So we guys can do this background white so you can see. Right, let's check if you see it or not. Okay, a little bit laggy, so let's see. Alright, we're not see anything yet, so bear with me. It's still a little bit laggy. Alright, so we're going to build, we're going to custom the list. Start with the one with the main one. So we're going to have with font, right? And in the list we're going to be class name. Alright, so we will have flag, okay, font and cursor pointer. For this one, item center, we will have relative group and fix. Sorry, so we're going to have the group attribute like this one. Oh, so now you guys can see that. Okay, so because I turned into the background into black, into white, so you guys can see everything. So yeah, we to have it like this one. So we're going to have overflow hidden, and we're going to do the font. The font, this is the custom font, right? This is a custom font. You guys can use the custom font on the Tailwind config like this one. Oh yeah, here, right here. It is the one, but you guys need to import. You guys need to include into the one, the public one, right here. Yep, you guys need to have this one. All right, so it's few more steps, but you guys don't need to have this exactly the same what I'm typing in here. Okay. All right, so moving further, we're going to have, let's go move to the below of the deep one. So we're going to do flag and make it into a group, and width we're going to be full, right? Okay, let's move into the span. So we're going to have span, we're going to have same the attribute. So it will be going to be full. Tag we're going to be 6 view width, right? And we are listing on and relative. Okay, but this one we're going to be absolute. This will be different, huh? So yeah, okay, so you can see it's already on top each other, right? So we're going to do, but in, all right, so before we're going to do something, we're going to have exactly the same. Tag we're going to be black, and yeah, this one should be background white, and this one will be, oh sorry, this one to be white, and this one will be to black, and this one will be black, and the background will be opposite, is white, right? So we will have duration for both of them. Okay, so the duration will go to be 300. Okay, duration 300, right? So the below one we're going to be translate e. You guys need to have this translate. Okay, so you can see it's already gone, so I represent. All right, so one more duration, translate is full like this one, hit save, and it's it just go down, right? So with the group hover, the translate E we're going to be 0. All right, let's take it down. Hover, all right, so you can see here when we translate, all right, so it's moving up. It's just the margin, all right. Okay, so for the above one, we're going to do group hover, and we're going to be minus is font, so it will be going up. Okay, that's just really simple like this one, yeah. All right, really simple, huh? All right, so we're moving further into the icons, I believe, right? Yeah, let's move further into the icon. So because the icon we're going to have like this one need to up, it's going to be absolute like this one, flag and group also, right? Okay, so the width we're going to be fixed, and we have overflow heighten and the right 0, right? So for this one, because we already done this custom component, so you guys can pass in the you guys can pass this one like this group hover. We're going to be translate, hold on, translate is going to be font width. We do like this one, 6 view width. Have we seen it yet? Not yet. Alright, so we'll do background transparent and duration 200, and we will have the field white. So you can see here, because the field attribute, so it should, so when we hover it moving up, you can see move. Why it's so small? Let me have a look. Alright, how about the big one? Okay, it's still really small, huh? Is it this one? Oh yeah, I got this one, huh? Alright, so field is going to be like this. Okay, so for this below, we're going to be, it's going to be absolute for this one, and the background still transparent, and we have left 0, and we will be minus translate E, going to be full like this one. So basically it will move in, so I will change this one. This will be summer. Okay, so this one cool. So this one will go to be moving to the left, minus, and when we do group hover, it's going to be change like it's yellow, red, yellow like this one, and we have duration 200, and the field for this one going to be black. Okay, all right, so this is the one, the main one we already have finished. It's not exactly the same, I get it, but yeah, you got the idea. Okay, so if you guys want to have another one, you can do floppy like this and this. Yeah, it's really clean, really cool, I believe. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, all right, let's get move to the second one, right? So the second one we have the text, the marquee, and the button, right? So we're going to do from the top to the bottom. So we have this one also, font, and we have a center relative, we have group for this, we have fake. Okay, something changed. We have overflow heighten, and we have background also black. Is it black yet? Not yet. All right. All right, let's start. Let's continue. Okay, so we move to below. We have flag, we have group, and we have font, with font like this one. Okay, not too much different, yeah. So in here, span, so we have font PS. So this is really simple, it just stay one place, so we don't need to make it complicated now. So the SM, the text going to be, oh no, not like this. Okay, we have leading. We have leading none. Okay, we have relative. We have button top going to be 2. Somehow it's just, where is it? So this one is a little bit slow. Alright, so we have button 2, we have text. So in here we're going to do it a little bit opacity 60, and this will be going to have background black also, and the duration also be 300. Okay, so you can see it's already firm enough. Alright, so we move into this molecule. So the molecule we are going to have, this one, group. Alright, okay, so the molecule we're going to do something like this technique. So because we want to, if show up when the group is hover, so we will turn the group hover into opacity 100, and their opacity, the normal without hover, is will going to be 0. Okay, so we have the background white. We want to make this button left and right 1, and we have the text black. Okay, and we make it into absolute. Alright, so the width will going to be full, and we have the duration we're going to be 100, duration 150, and 150. Let's see. Alright, so you can see when we hover it's showing up the opacity, right? Yeah, so we check again. Alright, you can see it's like it's rotate. It's not strike, but it's rotate. So we do another rotate attribute in here. Rotate 2. Okay, so my laptop a little bit laggy, yeah. Okay, rotate. Oh, it's not rotated yet. I don't know why. Okay, so it's already rotated. You can see here exactly. It's going from and up. Okay, so we want to make sure that inside the span, okay, we will have the button for each one is 1, and I don't want to have the leading, so just have leading on. So the button top, actually we could do something like this, right? Okay, button right. And we want to have the text in this in the mobile version. I want to make it 6 pixels, and in the above we want to be this one. Okay, let's see. Let's refresh. It's and oh, it's not yet. This one is, I believe this one is laggy. Okay, so we have it already have in here. I don't know why. Let me have a look why it's so lag, you know. We don't have anything outside. Okay, it's cannot lock, see. So this one is okay. So you can see here we have kinda the same, right? It's a little bit faster, right? It's faster, so we can do faster also by increase the speed into here to 20. Okay, all right, let's move to the button. So we in here, oh, it's still locked in now, so bad. I'm using the MacBook Air M1. All right, okay, so we're going to move to the button. So in here Let's do the background. For the button going to be white. We have is now, and we have the duration 300. We do the font, so you can see it's already show up a little bit faster, huh? So we're going to be flat. The edge, the height will be going to fit to the text. So justify center, and I want it to become absolute, to easy to. So I want to easy to move to the left, to the right. Sorry. So I want to make it a name, group button. Alright, so we're going to be test black to make sure, and the button going to be 1. Alright, so in this let's stop in above the mobile is going to be base, and the button top will going to be 2. Right, so the button base in here, like the last video, it belongs to button left, button right to 20%. So this one, once again, so this is the custom name I use in here, button base. So I do this pixel like this one, right? So I think it's the future I will return into the native one, so you guys can easy to use it there. Okay, so in this case, if you want to have the same like this one, we can change. You guys can change the name, but the information you can do whatever you want like this. Yeah, this is the Tailwind configuration, huh? Okay, further moving on, we will have the route. I want it to become route. No, yeah, let's do route. Okay, no, I want route, just small route. Okay, so we have right 3 to make it in the right. Okay, so when the group hover, we are going to do bottom 0, and when not, I want to bottom 24. Right, so it's blend. So we have the group hover, it will become bottom 0 like this, right? But without hover, it will be at the minus 24. So to make sure that you guys will know that we have do this group of the list one here, list item here, at the group at the beginning already. So when somebody hover on this one, on this list, it will target directly into here. Okay, into the group hover of the button like this here, and it make the bottom into it, and it make this bottom become bottom 0. And without hover, it will be minus 24, right? Like this. Okay. Okay, cool. So let's check the big one. Yeah, the big one. Okay, we already see it there. So in here, we're going to be having more. Right here. Is there anything wrong? All right. So in here, we want to have a B. Ref tag. So in here we want to do like this. Okay, so flag column, we want had to be fit sorry, or flow hidden. Okay, all right, with the last one we're going to do like this. The text in this in the below the mobile, we're going to be the text 12 pixel, and its aim we're going to be text 1 view width. So you guys can refactor this one as manner as you guys want. So I want to make it fast. So group hover going to be dash button. So when we hover, right, we want to make sure something change. Okay, so with the first one, it will be minor translate /e/200%. Okay, so with the bottom one, when we hover, it's going to be translate E0 dash. Okay, so you can see here the group hover / button is mean this one. Okay, all right, let's see. Hover. Okay, hover, it disappear, but it's not in change yet. So we're going to make sure it will change. Okay, so let's get started with the first one. This one going to be relative, and the one below going to be going to have duration 200 and little none, and this one going to have duration 300. Okay, have a look. Okay, this one should have like this, is in and out, like this one. Let's check. Oh, okay, so this one still not moving. The below, you can see here the above is already moved, but the below didn't move. So in here we need to move to absolute for this. Okay, it's still not move. It's still not move. Why? Ah, yes. Okay, so we have the button like this one. We have the group hover, but we don't have this start position in it like this. Okay, so when it's this, it will translate into 0, and this one it from 0 to translate to minus 200. Okay, so we can have like, it's not I know it's not exactly the same, but you get the idea how to do it. It's better than it's better than having the direction. All right. Okay, so in the button, I want to know why. I want to know why it didn't affect too much into my button one. It's not touching the button too much. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, we're going to do bottom 3, right? Yep, it should be bottom 3 in the mobile. All right, in the mobile, yeah, in the mobile we can do bottom 1 like this. Let's change. Okay, so if the group hover in the mobile version, we're going to be bottom 1, but in the desktop we're going to be bottom 3 like this. Okay, a little bit up. So this one we're going to be exactly in here. Okay, all right, so you guys can see this is kind of already done. So one more thing that we need to add, that this sound effective, so you can see the sound. Okay. It's really cool. So I want to add it also. All right, so we're going to be copy, and we're going to be copy. All right. Okay, so before we go into do it, I want to guys to create a function. So this will be play sound. Okay, so when we hover, it's going to play sound, right? So we want to target into the audio to play it. So like this one, but first we need to adjust the volume into 0.2, but like they need to make sure that they have this element. Okay, it's yelling that I don't know what it's yelling now. Why it's yelling? Okay, it's just a little bit laggy, huh? So the audio graph we're going to be this one. Current, we're going to be play when we hover that. Okay, so one thing that when we hover, it will target into this graph and it play this audio from this source. Okay, so we will going to see that immediately like this one. So you guys please target into this list. Okay, and you guys can press Command D in MacBook, and in I don't know, I forgot in the window what is the keyboard shortcut. So we guys can do on mouse enter, and you guys bash in like this, call play sound. Okay, on mouse enter and play sound. All right, let's check the moment of choose. Okay, so you can see here it's only click. Oh, sometimes we move fast, it won't be played, right? So if somebody play slow, so we move fast like this, it won't play. So you guys can see this is the mobile. If we move slow, it will play, right? Okay, so I think this one you guys can update or upgrade or this function to make sure it play when we hover to the list. Okay, so today's video I have finished this replicate of this one. So if you guys like this video and you guys having something new perspective, you guys can subscribe for my channel to in the future, so I can do really a lot of creative animation that you guys needed, right? So I will put few these code snippets into the description below. Make sure that you guys have a look on this one. All right, so okay, so thank you guys for stay really long, already over 30 minutes. So all right, so see you guys next video. Bye bye.